welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to make your TikTok account private. All right. So we'll begin by opening up the TikTok app like I have here. Once you have it opened, go to your profile page, and this is what it looks like. If you don't know how to get there, look on the bottom towards the right corner of your screen. You should see over here this little person icon, and it says profile underneath it. So go ahead and click on that, and it will take you to your profile page that looks like this. Once here, look on the upper right hand corner. Do you see these three bars over there? Tap on those, and this will take you to the settings and privacy page. Once here, click over here where it says privacy. And on the very top, do you see where it says private account? With a private account, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. Your existing followers won't be affected. Now, you see over here is currently white. That means my profile is public. To make it private, I'm going to tap on this button over here. I don't know how clear it is for you, but just go ahead and tap on this icon. It's towards the right of where it says private account, and I believe it should turn green. So as you can see, now it's green. That means my account is now private. That's how you can make your TikTok account private.